Okay, so this is the mock foundation question 3. The diagram shows the forces X and Y acting on a skydiver of mass 70 kilograms during free fall. Underline the correct word in the brackets to correctly complete each of the sentences below. So force X, which is going against the direction of travel, is due to air resistance, okay, which this force will increase as the parachutist gets faster and faster. Force Y is the force that's bringing the parachutist to the ground, and that is gravity. Now, during the fall, force X will actually increase, okay, as the parachutist accelerates due to gravity. The air resistance will increase as the parachutist experiences faster and faster wind, effectively in the opposite direction. Okay, so that would increase. Force Y, the effect of gravity, actually doesn't change during the fall, it stays the same. Describe the motion of the skydiver when force X is equal to force Y. So at this point, the skydiver is falling so quickly that the wind resistance, the air resistance, is exerting the same force on his body as gravity is pulling him down. So at this point, we would say that the forces acting on the parachutist are balanced, okay, and he will not be neither accelerating or decelerating. He will be falling at constant velocity, also known as terminal velocity. Okay, so we could say the forces are balanced. So parachutist falls at terminal velocity. And then the final part of this question reads, use the information above and the equation resultant force equals mass times acceleration to calculate the resultant force on the skydiver when her acceleration is 5 meters per second per second. So what we need is the mass, and the mass is mentioned here in the start of the question, and we need the acceleration, which is mentioned here. Okay, so the resultant force is equal to 70 kilograms multiplied by 5 meters per second, which gives us a force of 350 newtons.